Okay,
Yes.
what do you think? It's better, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, let's go with that one. The test paper. Yes, this one. Test 2. Yeah, I told you already that you have two mistakes in MCQ part, right?
Yes.
So first thing you do in your test copy, you have the test copy, right?
Yes.
So you do the corrections in your test copy.
Hmm.
Mm, this one. Why you gave this page horizontally?
I
Amjad?
think it came. Yes. Came my mistake. I think.
Yeah. So after correcting, you resend me, huh? That I can preserve it. Preserve it
Hmm.
with the corrected one. So you cross C here. Question number 7. Cross C and circle A.
Okay.
It's about constant acceleration, right?
Yes.
So constant acceleration means you have steeper straight line.
Steeper straight line. Hmm.
Yeah, till A we got steeper straight line. After that we got curved line. Gradually decreasing acceleration.
Hmm.
Then we have here negative acceleration. See. Then finally we got steady speed, right?
Hmm.
Of terminal speed, terminal velocity. So this for this question, A is more appropriate. Okay.
Sir, sir, isn't a non-uniform acceleration?
Look, if you take the ruler, if you keep the ruler here till A, it is straight line, and after that started curving.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay. Hmm.
In a speed time graph, if you have a steeper straight line, that's constant acceleration.
Hmm.
This is one. So you corrected it, right?
Hmm.
Then another one. This one is right. The resultant force and the acceleration of the which two quantities are always in the same direction as each other. Satellite. In the same direction, right? This one is fine. And another question I am trying to find. Okay, this one, 13. Question 13. C is wrong. Then you tell me which one is right.
Air resistance and weight.
So which option?
A.
A. So this one, how could you did wrong? Is it slip of pen or intentionally?
No, not interesting. Uh,
Now you
I don't know.
understand.
It just happened.
Okay, you
Yeah.
actually have the idea, but you did it mistakenly, right?
Hmm.
Now, if you are given the test paper now, then you could make it correct, right?
Yes.
So it happens for us that the thing we know 100%, even that one we are doing wrong. So it's an experience, right?
Hmm.
And this type of mistakes shouldn't be happen again, right?
Yes.
So 13 you see wrong and A you circle.
Hmm.
Then let me check in the structured part. There is anything to correct. Structured part there is nothing to correct that way. Only small thing maybe there is just in writing. Let me check. Okay. Um, okay, this one. This question, I did not cut your mark, but maybe it happens sometime in exams. They cut the marks. Sometimes it happens.
So is it BOD?
You see A. A, what's written there? Can you read?
Yes. Mark and label a point where the car has a non-uniform deceleration.
So your marking is fine, but you did not label it.
Oh, mark and label. Acha, okay.
Yeah, so sometimes it happens that you only marking, but you are not labeling. So you are losing one part of the question to answer. That time it happens. There is no option in Cambridge to give partial mark. That's why you will lose mark. This mark will lose. As it is clearly mentioned, mark and label.
Hmm.
So you label it, huh? Label with one line you label and write their non-uniform deceleration. Um, Here another thing, you did all the things in graph. Here here we gave you only one mark for part two.
Hmm.
For 5A2 we gave here only one mark. Huh? And we only
Hmm.
told you on figure 5.1 draw a possible speed time graph of the car when it is at constant speed. So it's enough to draw this part. Okay,
Hmm.
whatever you uh, gave here, these are extra things which this question is not asking for.
Hmm.
One thing, another thing, if they were giving you this question completely, then you could draw completely. Fine, that's fine. But there is one problem that your graph, this one, this line is very thick. Hmm. If you are
Hmm.
drawing this kind of thick graph, then you are losing mark. Maybe if you are giving, if you were given here a question for 3 marks or 4 marks
Hmm.
to draw this complete graph, then you would lose 1 mark at least for this thicker line.
Hmm.
So you should use a sharp pencil, huh? And
Hmm.
draw it only once. Don't overwrite on the line.
Hmm.
Clear? So
Yes.
note down this. Note down this here. Here only write that I was asked for only this part, and the line I drew were not sharp. Okay, this one you take down with 2 stars. You write these 2 points. So
Yes.
by tonight, yeah, you resend me, yeah, this one. Can
Hmm.
you? Or you are busy?
Yes. No, sir. I'm free.
Okay, you're free now. That's really good. You are free now. So our topic till topic 3 is over, right? All the things.
Yes.
Now we will go for next one. That is topic 4 notes. You have some
Hmm.
queries or you need more explanation. Okay, that one we are going to discuss. Yeah, this one. Just wait. Wait for notes on topic. Okay. Yeah, you can see the screen, right? Notes.
Yes.
So where is your queries?
Uh, First one is gravitational force.
Yeah,
Yes. I did not understand the definition.
read.
Um, any two bodies in the universe attract each other with a force. This spectacle is called the gravitational attraction. This force of attraction is known as gravitational force or force due to gravity.
Okay. Uh, Spectacle. This word you did not understand.
Yes.
You got one word that is this phenomenon, right?
Hmm.
Similar.
Okay, but sir, any two bodies in the universe attract each other. What does this sentence mean?
Like if you and your grandfather is sitting side by side,
Hmm.
then you both are feeling gravitational attraction. Then you also have gravitational attraction with your table, with your chair, everything. You have gravitational attraction with the earth, with the moon.
Hmm.
Okay, everything, everything in this universe, they are attracting each other.
Hmm.
And we have two other points about gravitational force. That is, gravitational force depends on uh, their distance. Gravitational force depends on their mass. Okay, like
Hmm.
your mass and your grandfather mass, these are very close, right?
Hmm.
That's why, in comparison to the universe, right? These are very close. That's why you are not, you have gravitational force, gravitational attraction in between uh, both of you, but you are not experiencing that one. That's so small. That's so small that it's negligible. That's why you are not feeling
Hmm.
that one. Uh,
Hmm.
but your mass and Earth's mass, if you compare,
Hmm.
then you can imagine, right, how much times it is.
Hmm.
And that's why the gravitational attraction between you and the Earth is so much. Earth is attracting you so much. I told you
Hmm.
that I will tell you another point. Another point is related to distance.
Hmm.
The Earth, uh, Earth is close to us, and
Hmm.
Sun is very far away from us. Though
Hmm.
the mass of Sun is very, very, very large in comparison to Earth, but its distance also very large, right, from us.
Hmm.
That's why, as the Earth is very large times mass than us, and it's very close to us, that's why the gravitational force or attraction of uh, Earth is much more than the Sun on us. That's
Hmm.
why we are not, feeling the attraction of Sun. Rather, we are feeling the attraction of
Earth.
Earth. So
Hmm.
clear
Got it.
this one?
Hmm. And
Yeah, continue.
yes.
You continue. First paragraph you are done. The second paragraph
Hmm.
you read. Third paragraph you read. Then continue.
Uh, a force field is a region in which a body experiences a force as a result of the presence of some other bodies or body.
Hmm. So it is clear that if you are in the field,
Hmm.
gravitational field, uh, where uh, where the force of attraction can work. Okay,
Hmm.
uh, that's that's giving you the force, right?
Hmm.
Otherwise, you will not feel the force.
Yes. Hmm. Hmm. A force field is thus a method of representing the way in which bodies are able to influence each other.
Hmm. Yeah, same thing. Quite similar thing. Whatever we discussed. Hmm.
Okay.
Similar.
Hmm.
So we can
Uh,
proceed, right?
yes.
The next, where is your problem?
No, sir. This was my only query.
Look, here I gave here separately gravitational force. Actually, gravitational force and weight are the same thing. Okay. Uh,
Hmm.
Here we got here gravitational force, force due to gravity, or it is only gravity or weight. The same thing. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. Then anything else from this
No,
class?
nothing. I'm done.
Nothing. 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 These are very simple thing, right?
Yes, very simple.
Now the worksheet. The worksheet
Hmm.
you gave me. Let's go through the worksheet, right? Here is the worksheet. I actually did not check your worksheet just now. I uploaded this one, so I have to go through it now, one by one. I will tell you the answers from the mark scheme, okay?
Hmm.
Then we'll check out. Anything is wrong you are getting, then we will explain that one, okay?
Hmm.
That one you are getting wrong, you give cross, and then we'll discuss the right one.
Hmm.
Today we had class in school. Okay, worksheet 4, advanced worksheet 4. This one. What you are seeing now, the worksheet, right?
Yes.
Now still you are seeing the worksheet, right?
Hmm.
Okay, so you tell me the answers. Okay, we have here 14 questions, right?
Hmm.
Yeah, tell me the answer. One C, right?
Hmm.
This way you tell me. One C, two. This way tell me.
Okay. 1 minute. Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me, please.
One, 1C,
Mm-hmm.
2C,
Mm-hmm.
3A,
Mm-hmm.
4. I did not do it.
For then you your worksheet you give question mark.
Hmm.
If you are not answering anything, you give the question mark.
Hmm.
Continue.
5A,
Mm-hmm.
6B,
Mm-hmm.
7B,
Seven.
7B,
Dhaka or Bangladesh?
Bangladesh.
Cross. Seven cross. Beside Bangladesh, you give cross.
Okay.
Okay, then continue. We'll explain at
Uh,
last.
hmm. 8 Bangladesh,
Mm-hmm.
9A,
Cross. On A, you give cross.
hmm. 10B,
Mm-hmm. Bangladesh.
yes, Bangladesh.
Mm.
11A,
Cross. On A, you
come
give
on.
cross.
12 Bangladesh,
Mm-hmm.
13C,
Mm-hmm.
14C.
Yes. So how many you got wrong and not answered?
3 wrong, 1 not answered.
Okay, let us check. Yeah, not answered. Which one?
4.
Yeah, awesome. So you got the answer. Which one you got the answer? Oh, you did not answer
Sir,
this. Okay, you did not answer this. Fine. So here you mark uh, overall density. That one you mark, underline that one. Here,
hmm.
this one is the main point here for the whole question. Overall density. This one is the main thing to focus.
Hmm.
Okay, now overall density means you have to find overall mass and overall volume.
Hmm.
That's giving you overall density.
Hmm.
So how to get overall mass?
Find the mass of uh, 2 blocks individually.
Hmm. So you get it first. Get it first and let me know what is the total mass.
Hmm.
First, you find it individually and tell me what is the mass of the black part and what is the mass of white part. Okay, then we
Hmm.
can add. Do it now. And the formula of mass is rho into V, right?
Hmm.
Do it separately. There will be two steps to find the mass.
Yes, the black one is 6 grams and
Yeah,
white one is 18 grams.
18 grams. White part you got 18 grams.
Hmm.
Mm, yeah. So 6 plus 18, how much total mass?
24.
24 grams. So total mass you got and total volume,
Uh, 3.
yeah, 24 by
So 8,
3.
8, 8, 8. Okay. Got it.
C, right?
Hmm.
You gave your question mark, right?
Hmm.
Yeah. So you did not get this type of question before in your life.
No.
This came in 2018, October, November.
Hmm.
Yeah. Then next, which one was wrong?
7.
7, what you gave?
B.
Yeah, beside B, you write volume. Give one hyphen, then you write volume. Okay, this is the definition of
Hmm.
volume, the amount of space occupied by a body. Underline that part. The amount of space occupied by a body. This one is the definition of volume. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Then mass. Here there is one blank space. So there give star mark and you write mass is the amount of substance, not
Hmm.
space. amount of substance
Oh, okay,
occupied
okay.
by a body or present in an object.
Hmm.
Now tell me the correct answer. Then think and tell me the correct answer.
D. Dhaka.
Which one?
Dhaka.
Dhaka. Yes. Mass resists a change in motion. That's the first definition
Inertia.
I gave. Yeah, for mass I gave you two definitions, right?
Hmm.
One is related to inertia, another one is the amount of substance present in object. So this one is related to first definition. That's related to inertia. Beside D, motion, you give hyphen and write inertia. Ah,
Hmm.
then which one?
Uh, I think so it's 9. It's a 9.
They are saying which one is not correct. This one is correct. Didn't you
D.
see?
D. Dhaka.
No, why you did one? Did this one mistake? Huh?
I
Why
don't know,
you
sir. I
chose
think
A? Because you did not see not.
probably.
Hmm. Again, silly mistake, right?
Yes. Shit. Hmm. That-
So D, right?
Yes.
D is correct. Is not correct.
D is
Mass
not
is
correct.
mass is equal to weight multiplied by gravitational field. This is correct. Why you are
No, sir.
saying
This is not correct.
correct? Not correct? Okay.
Not
So
correct.
what? Why it is not correct? What should be the correct one?
Uh, weight is mass time gravitational field strength, not mass.
Okay. Weight is mass times gravitational field strength. And if I ask you about mass, then how you will say?
Mass is weight divided by gravitational field strength.
Yeah, yeah. So you note, yeah, underline this, and
Hmm.
there you write divided. Huh?
Hmm.
Why it's not correct? That's identified. Next,
Hmm. 11.
11. It's very dark.
It's shade.
So
My finger came there mistakenly.
yeah. So you chose your A.
Yes.
What is the density of liquid P?
Uh,
They are saying look,
hmm.
very simple idea. Very simple idea. They are saying they have the same mass.
Hmm.
So if they have the same mass, then this one has more density or this one has more density.
If they have same mass,
Hmm.
oh, got it. It should be C.
Hmm.
It should be C.
C or D, right, like that, right? But how you calculate it, that's the main point. So you understand that it will not be A, right?
Hmm.
Simply we can understand it will not be A. but how to calculate, how to understand. For mass, we have the formula rho v, right?
Hmm.
I'm taking some time here for giving you some more idea.
No
Uh,
problem.
do you like
Hmm.
it to get
Yes,
more
yes.
ideas?
Hmm.
Here you see mass equals, I am writing dv, okay, because
Hmm.
I in my computer is there is no option to write rho. That's why I'm writing v. Now density
Hi.
multiplied by volume. Density uh, we will find, right?
Hmm.
Density we will find
Hmm.
as, so we can write here density equals m by v.
Hmm.
That will be better. Uh, and for both of them, mass is same,
Hmm.
uh, but volume is different.
Hmm.
So we can write this formula this way: d equals, oh sorry, d equals m by ah,
Hmm.
area, right? Area
Hmm.
multiplied by height.
Hmm.
Can you write this way? Now again we can write this way: d1, as they are asking us about p, right? Density of liquid p. So we are thinking that liquid p has density d1. So d1 then d2 equals. How can we write now?
Um.
M by h, right? M by h
Hmm.
divided by m by 3h.
Hmm.
Can you write this way?
Hmm.
Why I am ignoring a?
Uh, because
For both of them,
the
you
same
see,
beakers, identical beakers.
yeah, identical pictures, and they both have the same area, right? Cross-sectional area
Hmm.
is same.
Hmm.
So that's why we are ignoring or neglecting A here, crossing A. If I write, then both will be cut, right? We can
Hmm.
also cut here M.
Hmm.
Here we can also cut M. So how it will come? It will come like, uh, you see here, 1 by H divided by 1 by 3H, right?
Hmm.
Isn't it? So HH will be crossed, then MM will be crossed, and we will have only 3.
Hmm.
So d1 by d2 equals 3.
Hmm.
Can you write this way? D1
Hmm.
equals 3 d2.
Hmm.
That means P equals 3Q. And
Hmm.
they already gave liquid Q has a density of rho, right?
Hmm.
So that means Q is D2, right?
Hmm.
Then we can write here, again I'm writing the problem because if I'm not writing, some people will be confused. A 3 rho. We did not have here row, so we are writing only D, right? 3D.
Hmm.
So it's clear now, right?
Yes.
Uh, this for this question, you are given like area same, but if somehow you are getting more more difficult question that they are giving different cross sectional area, different
Hmm.
not identical beaker, different beakers. That time it will become more difficult, right? Even they are not giving you same density, like rho. Rho is if they are not giving you rho, they are giving you some values. It will be more difficult, right?
Hmm.
That's why I gave you the procedure, complete procedure. Okay, clear?
Hmm.
Can we go to next? Which one is next?
Yeah, complete.
Okay, our MCQ part is done. Then we'll go for structured part, right?
Hmm.
So in this worksheet, you got some corrections, right?
Hmm.
Four, four corrections.
Hmm.
Though it's an easy topic, is it's an easy topic, right?
Hmm.
You got four corrections in your MCQ part already. So we are going to the mark scheme again. Here, MCQ part I did not write here. Fine. Let us check from there. Okay, here you got. Can you read structure part?
Uh, water is trans- Water is transported to a village in a tank pulled by a tractor. Figure 1.1 shows the tank being pulled by a tractor. The combined mass of the tractor and the tank is 4,100 kg, and when the tank is empty, uh, and 6,500 kg when the tank is full of water. The density of water is 1000 kg per meter cube. Calculate the volume of water in the tank when it is full.
Okay. Here you got volume of water in the tank when it is full.
Hmm.
Density of water is given. So mass of water you found, huh?
Hmm.
Mass of water you found how much?
Mass of water is 2,400.
Okay, 2,400. Then you got a 1,000. Yeah, 2.4 meter cube. Fine. Continue next.
And then density of water is 1000, so I just divide it.
Yeah, it's fine. Continue too.
uh, a force applied to a solid object may cause it to accelerate so that its velocity changes. State two other properties of the object which may change when a force is applied.
Yeah, fine. Continue.
Shape and direction.
Continue.
uh,
Continue.
a spring has a mass of 0.012 kg. The gravitational field strength G is 10 Newton per kg. Calculate the weight. So W equals to
Yeah, it's
10G.
fine. It's fine. Continue.
We
Three.
want uh, show Figure 3.1 shows a painter standing on a wooden plank directly above the right hand support. The plank has a length 3.6 meter, width 0.35 meter, thickness 0.025 meter. The gravitational field strength G is 10 Newton per kg and the mass of the plank is 23 kg. Calculate the density of the wood from which the plank is made.
Yeah. So the formula of density is mass per volume, right?
Hmm.
Your mass is 23 kg.
Yes.
Volume is
Uh, Multiplication of
yeah,
that.
all the dimensions 3.6, 0.025, and 0.35. Yeah. So you got 730, right? Kg per. So
Yes.
it's all right. Fine. Actually, from mass or density, we don't get that way separate questions in a structured part. They come combinedly with other topics. Like this one is mostly the question from turning effect of forces, but a part is related to this density. Okay, that's why we included this part.
Hmm.
So this worksheet is done, and I gave you another worksheet.
Moments. Yep.
Another worksheet, worksheet 5.
Hmm.
Did you see that one?
Yes.
How much you did? MCQ part you did.
Yes.
Okay, all.
Mm, yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so after 10 minutes, 6 p.m., we will go through that one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, 10 minutes break. Thank you.
Welcome.